Welcome into the live stream today. I am working on embedding. Again, I'm still working on embedding a live stream from Restream.io into your actual website using an iframe, actually. And I've solved this a couple times here on my own. I don't know for sure if I've solved it for my church yet. I think I have. But then, when I try to put the embed codes in, it doesn't seem to work that great. So, I feel your pain. I feel your pain out there trying to get all of this technology working. What you want to do, you just want to worship. Just want to worship God, right? You just want to sing. My son is screaming like a banshee. You just want to sing, just want to worship, but this is part of it. This is part of that experience. So I have sent embed codes. I've done this stuff. I'm going to look and I'm going to be testing this live stream on my site. And I think I can go ahead and show you that. So I will show you, I think I can share my screen. I'm in Restream Studio right now. So Restream Studio is actually pretty cool. Automatically add shared screen to the stream. And I think I'm going to add this screen right here. And then I'm going to pull this down here. So my live studio is going to come down here. So basically, when you get to your website, oh, look at that pretty background. Wow, Restream does a lot of really cool stuff. So when you get to your website, this is my website right here. I have a website, worshipthekingdom.com/livestream, and this is a little embedded player. Okay, so I think when they get there, I'll refresh this. Let's see, I'll refresh this one right here, and it'll say press play to start the live stream in progress. So okay, there you go. There's the live stream that's in progress, and it's probably this one right here. So if I press this, it's going to play it. It's going to play the live stream that I'm in right now. So it's brilliant, right? It's brilliant. When you come to this page on my website, before I'm started, it doesn't show this ugly picture. That's the problem I solved in a video or two ago. You have to actually, I can solve that problem. That's a different video. So I was working on that. Let me show you what I did to get that. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because it's a lot cheaper than paying for some crazy service. So, okay, I'm going to update this page. This is worshiptheking.com/livestream. And then I'm going to go view it again. I was working on it with my church, and there you go. So you can see that when I'm live, it just shows this little thing, and it doesn't play until you click it. And when you click it, it's going to play it. So that's what you want. That's what you want to happen for your church. Let's see if I can mess around with this view here. There. Oh, even better. Let's put this view. Restream. This is Restream Studio. It does all of this stuff. I mean, it's kind of a crazy program. It does all this. So basically, what I'm trying to say is, I got that done. I can go live. Then if I go here, this is supposed to be live too. Waiting for Worship the King music to live stream. So I don't really like this thing. Let's refresh this and see if it does it. So if you go live, it supposedly would be playing right here. But see, I'm in their account waiting for Worship the King music, to awaiting. That doesn't make any sense. So that doesn't make any sense. All right, so I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna switch to this account and see what happens, because it doesn't seem like, if I say this, see, I'm saying there's a live stream progress. Have trouble. You guys are just listening to this like, what is this guy talking about? I don't know anymore, really. But I do know. Okay, so that worked. That's brilliant. Okay, so let me show you how that worked. If you are, let's see, if you are up here and you're on the website, if you're on somebody's website and it's like, oh, this little embed function isn't working, then you can actually just click on have trouble, click here to launch your live stream. So when they click that, it actually opens up YouTube and goes to your actual live stream video. Okay. Now I get that a lot of you churches don't, I mean, I don't know, using YouTube's okay. YouTube is the engine, but you want the embed. That's why I like this. Okay, so I know I'm going all around in circles with you guys on this, but I feel like once this is done, it works extremely well, and it will save you money. I'm all about saving the money, man. You know what I mean? I'm all about saving the money, especially for the church. They don't want to pay $150 or $300 a month for some of these high-end streaming services where they got these embed things. That's fine. They want to make it easy. There's a couple reasons why I've been going around in circles. Is number one, it's going to save money, and number two, it's going to make it easy for my volunteers in the booth every week to do this. That is really the key, because if they can't go live and they're messing it up all the time, then it doesn't matter what it looks like. But that's why I'm all about this, because it actually is super easy to do. Okay, Restream is so easy. On my tech channel, I will do some more Restream stuff. But now you can see I'm on YouTube. So if you were to go to Worship the King Music, and I'm logged in as, I think I'm logged in still as my church. So they're logged in, and they're like, oh, who's this guy? It says live now. See, I could go there. If I go to my channel, then it says, oh, he's live. Okay, so that's pretty cool, right? That's cool. It functions. I go live, so I can do that. If you were a church and you wanted it to go to Worship the King Music, and then you wanted to go to live stream, like our church has a thing like watch live, so I can go like this, live stream. It's going to come up to a page that looks like this. Okay, and you can put a little thing, press play to start the live stream. So it is working. See, I've got this brilliantly working. They click here, it starts the live stream. Yeah, so it's working, and that's the live stream going on. I've got this brilliantly working. I'm trying to get this working for my church, and I think that the solution is brilliant because it's one embed code, and I did this in another video on my channel. So if you need that, just find that. It's one embed code, and then it's done. You know, you're there. You're on your website. You're on Facebook. You're on YouTube. You're everywhere you need to be. All right. And then when you go live, you're multi-streaming. And I feel like multi-streaming is important for churches, because why is multi-streaming important for churches? Why would that be important? I think it's important because we're trying to reach more people, right? Isn't that the whole point of this? What's the point of live streaming your church anyway? I think it's so you can reach more people, and so you can put out your message to more people, and so you can flood social media with worship services, right? We have a lot of people watching around the world, and when they go on vacation, everything else. So if they're on Facebook, that's great. But what if they're not? You know, if they're on YouTube, what if they're not really? What if they don't have a YouTube account, or if they don't really like YouTube? I don't know. Some people don't like YouTube. So that's why I think for our pastor, he wants it to be on the website stream embedded. And I like that for me as well, too, when I'm doing webinars. You can do that, too. You can use Restream to do webinars and do them live right there. So that's it for today. It is going to be amazing. God bless you guys.